Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2000 Toyota Estima. It comes with 57,005 miles. It is powered by the reliable 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This is a factory right-hand drive vehicle, 2 front doors, 2 rear sliding doors, and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle, starting with the driver's side door. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash right here. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. We're going to take a look up here. The number at the bottom that you're seeing, 91,742, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 57,005. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll start on the driver's side. All right. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors, LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank y'all so much for the continual support We truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. It does mean the world to us. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.